That is November 2018, K.C.S.E. Outline Micah's prophecy concerning the Messiah. Can you read Micah chapter 5, verse 2 to 5? Just read.
From you shall come forth the new one who is to be ruler in Israel, whose origin is from ancient days. Therefore you shall give them up until the time when she who is in travail has brought forth. Then the rest of his brethren shall return to the people of Israel. And he shall stand and feed his flock in the strength of God, in the majesty of the name of the Lord his God. And they shall build secure, for now he shall be great to the ends of the earth. And this shall be peace when the Assyrian comes into our land and strikes upon our soil. That we will raise against him 7 shepherds and 8 princes of men.
So, Micah's prophecy concerning the Messiah. The Messiah would be born in Bethlehem. He will rule over Israel. We're just checking whether your answers are correct. His origin is from the old or ancient days. He would be born of a woman. He will feed his flock. He will rule with the strength of God, or he will rule with the majesty of God. In his time, Israel will be secured or will be peaceful. He shall be great to the ends of the earth. Question 1b. Describe the annunciation of the birth of Jesus by angel Gabriel as recorded in Luke chapter 1 verse 26 to 38. We read all of us. Can you read all of us?
And the virgin's name was Mary. And he came to her and said, Hail, O favored one, the Lord is with you. But she was greatly troubled at the saying, and considered in her mind what sort of greeting this might be. And the angel said to her, Do not be afraid, Mary, for you have found favor with God. And behold, you will conceive in your womb and bear a son, and you shall call his name Jesus. He will be great, and he will be called the Son of the Most High. And the Lord God will give to him the throne of his father David, and he will reign over the house of Jacob forever, and of his kingdom there will be no end. And Mary said to the angel, How shall this be, since I have no husband? And the angel said to her, The Holy Spirit will come upon you, and the power of the Most High will overshadow you. Therefore the child to be born will be called the Son of God. And behold, your kinswoman Elizabeth in her old age has also conceived a son, and this is the 6th month with her who was called barren. For with God nothing will be impossible. And Mary said, Behold, I am the handmaid of the Lord. Let it be according to your word. And the angel departed from her.
Yes. So, you're supposed to explain. Angel Gabriel appeared to Mary in Nazareth. Mary was a young woman who had been engaged to a man named Joseph from the house of David. The angel greeted Mary, "Hail, favored one of the Lord. The Lord is with you." Mary was troubled by the greetings and wondered why it could be. The angel told her not to be afraid. She had found favor with God, and she was going to conceive and give birth to a son. He would be called Jesus. The angel told Mary that Jesus will be great. That is, he will be called the Son of the Most High God. He will be called the Son of the Most High, and God will give him the throne of his father David. Mary asked the angel how she was going to conceive without a husband. The angel told her that she would conceive by the power of the Holy Spirit. The angel told Mary that her kinswoman Elizabeth had conceived a son. Or you can say that Mary was told that his kinswoman Elizabeth was 6 months old, pregnant. Mary accepted the angel's message and said, "I am the housemaid of the Lord. Let it be done to me as you have said." The angel departed from her. Question 1C. State 5 lessons Christians learn from the Magnificent. What is the Magnificant? The song that was sung by Mary. Why? Yes? To thank the Lord because of what? Yes. So, what lessons do Christians learn from that? That is, Christians should always appreciate, or they should always thank God or glorify God for his favor. Christians should always have faith in God. Christians should be humble. Christians should rejoice when they are blessed by God. Christians should obey the will of God, or they should respect the will of God. Christians should depend on God for provision.